Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to change background in CapCut. If you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, click on New Project. Now select your desired video from your mobile device. Tap on the Add button in the bottom right corner. Next, select the video timeline. Then, swipe the options to the left. From the options, select the Remove Background option. Here you'll find three options. If you wish to remove a specific color from the video, such as a green screen, select the Chroma Key option. If you wish to manually remove the background by selecting a specific area, choose the Custom Removal option. However, if you want CapCut to automatically detect the background, select the first option, Auto Removal. After selecting this option, the process will take a short time, and you will see that CapCut has successfully removed the background from your video. If you wish to add a specific color to the background, simply deselect the video timeline, swipe to the left from the bottom bar, and select the Background option. Here, you can choose your desired color to add to the background, and there you have it. With these options, you can change the background in CapCut in your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.